I'll share the unboxing and first impressions of the recently launched Honor 300 Pro. This phone comes with a fast refresh rate AMOLED display, a Snapdragon flagship processor, a superb design, fast charging, and much more. Hey guys, this is Mikey from TechMakey. Please consider subscribing and turning on notifications by hitting the bell icon for more amazing tech videos. Let's start with the unboxing. Here is the box of the Honor 300 Pro. The phone's branding is visible on the top of the box. We'll cut the plastic wrap and open the lid. Inside the box, you get a 100-watt power adapter with a Type-A output and a data cable. Now let's talk about its design and build. This year, most new phones come with flat displays, but the Honor 300 Pro still features a curved design on the front and back, along with the left and right sides. The screen of the Honor 300 Pro also has micro-curved edges at the top and bottom. The frame is slim and slightly curved, giving the phone a lightweight and thin feel when held. Looking at the back design, Honor's series always introduces something fresh. You can see the unique designs of the Honor 90 Pro, 100 Pro, and now the 300 Pro. This time, the camera module has a different and eye-catching shape. Apart from this color, there are two more color options available with textured finishes. The phone weighs around 199 grams and has a thickness of 8.2 millimeters. So friends, how did you find the design of the Honor 300 Pro? Let me know in the comments. Talking about the screen, this time it's quite surprising. It offers the highest level of eye protection with a 3840Hz PWM dimming feature. The screen is the same as the one used in Honor's flagship Magic series. For eye protection, several AI features are also included. Plus, this is the first Android phone with a motion shooting display. The Honor 300 Pro uses top-level hardware and software for eye protection. It also features high-frequency dimming, which helps reduce eye fatigue even at low brightness levels. The screen provides a surprisingly good uniform color temperature on white backgrounds, and the color tone is excellent. However, this time, the screen does not support LTPO technology. The Honor 300 Pro comes with an under-display fingerprint sensor. This Pro variant features an optical fingerprint sensor, but if you go for the Honor 300 Ultra, you'll get an ultrasonic fingerprint sensor instead. Now let's talk about the camera. The phone has a rear-facing triple camera setup. The primary camera is a 50-megapixel Sony IMX906 sensor with a 1.56-inch sensor size. There's also a 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera that offers a 120-degree field of view and doubles as a macro camera. The third camera is a 50-megapixel telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom and optical image stabilization, using the Sony IMX8-56 sensor. On the front, there's a dual camera setup with a 50-megapixel primary camera and a 2-megapixel depth camera for portrait shots. This means you get enhanced portrait algorithms. The Honor 300 Pro's camera works with advanced software and computational algorithms. You can also compare its camera performance with other flagship phones. This time, the telephoto camera is placed on the side and has a minimum focusing distance of around 25 centimeters. The camera performance is decent. Talking about performance, the Honor 300 Pro comes with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, but it's a lower clock speed version with a maximum clock speed of 3.0 GHz. It also features a 0.3mm high-performance stainless steel heat dissipation system and supports Wi-Fi 7. From a hardware perspective, the phone offers strong performance, and the gaming experience will be excellent. The Honor 300 Pro comes with a 5,300 mAh battery. For charging, it supports 100 watts wired charging and 80-watt wireless charging, offering fast wireless charging as well. Apart from this, the Honor 300 Pro has all the key features, which I'll cover in detail in the full review video. As for the price, the base variant starts at 4,199 Chinese yuan in China, 454 pounds in the UK, and $579 in the USA. So, what do you guys think about the Honor 300 Pro? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Finally, subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. Well, that's it from me. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Keep smiling, and I'll see you in the next one.
Honey, when you said Chipset.